Designed and built in Europe, the new Tucson is Hyundai's best-selling model, and not without good reason.
You'll get loads of convenient features as standard. You've got automatic and projection headlights, which give you a brighter, more focused beam. You'll also get climate control, which adjusts the temperature automatically, keeping the interior at your preferred temperature, a DAB radio with Bluetooth, and a leather steering wheel and gear stick.
The Premium just offers more luxury with a state-of-the-art Corel sound system, leather seats, and a handy electric parking brake. The Premium SE offers even more with its panoramic glass sunroof, the smart electric tailgate, which opens up automatically when you're about a metre or so away, and also smart cruise control, where the front sensors actually lock onto the car in front, either speeding you up or slowing you down. The new Tucson also has a range of new engines, including the SmartStream 1.6-litre diesel engine for better CO2 emissions. There's also the 2-litre four-wheel drive mild hybrid, which is the most efficient engine with a new powertrain system offering a 7% improved efficiency over the previous 2-litre diesel engine.